Alright everyone, this is my first bike check.
Let's start from the bottom. First of all, we got my dice cap. We got DK rims and tires, DK fork, Odyssey pegs. We got Odyssey stem, DK handlebars, Odyssey grips, and DK caps. We got a DK Sin City frame with a DK seat, DK pedals, Odyssey crank. We got gold chain. We got Odyssey plate. We got Odyssey brake lever and Odyssey brake cable. Same thing as the front. The front tire, it's an Odyssey. And yeah. And then we got my cap. And in front, yeah, I already said I have a dice. So, oh yeah, my lucky rubber band. I don't have a pivotal seat, but I'm gonna get one by Christmas. So yeah, this is my bike check. Subscribe and everything. Thanks.